Look here. You see this thing? Look here. Don't look at me.
But you're talking to me. I'm so awkward on camera.
Look at that. It's all my stuff. I'm still moving. But I'm back. Aaron had to not only do all the work, which is usual, but he also had to film, which was unusual.
So the Teryx barfed on the floor.
So yeah, here I am, back. So to pick up where I had left off, because I haven't even watched any of the footage that Aaron has filmed.
It's minimal. It's minimal. There is some, but it's mostly, I think, like time lapse and stuff.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know if you'd actually like gotten behind the camera. So anyway, I guess just to pick up from where I left off. The gerb and this. So, from where I left off, I've been moving, as I said, all weekend. Terrible timing, because this guy's got a ride this weekend. This is Monday, another time crunch, and it's, yet again, not on me. And I like it. This time. But, yeah, so he's got to do some shit with the portals. He made these brackets. Did you already film all that?
No, the camera died while I was, I think it was
okay, so yeah, here's the brackets then. Oh yeah, so what he did is he had to beat these suckers up, cause tell the audience here what you did last ride.
Oh, I sent it hard. What I did last time is I sent it and I fucked shit up and the wheel almost fell off and I almost lost a caliper, fucking bolt came out.
So anyway, so yeah, he fucked his bracket up.
Yeah, I fucked it up.
So now he went ahead and reinforced them and made them nice and built those things.
But they're known to be bad anyways, because these are first gen brackets, and I bought them used so I don't get a warranty through Super ATV. So.
Oh, quick shout out real quick. What's that you're drinking, man?
Oh man, this right here, Twisted Tea Peach. If you like iced tea and you like peach and you like getting drunk, this is where it's at.
We've never seen one of those in the shop, or at least since we've been doing YouTube. I don't think.
Change it up, you know.
I mean, not a sponsor
yet.
Alright, we're gonna get working on this instead of bullshitting all day. Like I said, we got a few days to go for this thing. You still gotta work on your daughters, right?
Yeah, gotta do whips and charge the battery and full service, fluid change and all that good jazz. No pressure.
I'm up. Toodaloo. What's up, everybody? Back out at Aaron's shop, and no one's here except me. That's because Aaron had to run a small errand. His wife came over and opened the shop for me, but I'm over here. As you can see, he's just damn near put back together. Just some minor stuff. And Cora's whips are done. Those look freaking good. This is the first time I've seen it in person because they were working on it last night. And I was unfortunately not able to make it. Something about like a nap or something got in the way. Anyway, so we're out here, I'm about to do a fluid change, and we just got minor odds and ends, and this sucker's ready to go ride. So glad to see it back all put together.
A few moments later.
These are whips, not light bars.
Big light. I don't know what which ones are.
Hello! Little update, so obviously the fluid change is done, so the Teryx is actually officially done. I did pretty much like 5% of anything on this. But it is done, they're ride ready. As far as this machine goes, I'm sorry I'm at a weird angle. I'm like, I don't know, yeah, there's like whole maybe 16 inches between this freaking vise that keeps grabbing my jacket and the side-by-side. So yeah, so here's what we're doing now for them to get ready for this weekend. Oh, it's so cool, so much smoke out of there. Wow, where's your Subaru, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Sick clouds.
Safe life, bro.
He's putting this hitch on the back of the bus because a big old bus is not, you know, it's not challenging enough when you drive it. I mean, swinging the bus in and out of place is not challenging for this man. So he's like, let's put a trailer on the back. I mean, this guy is just all about the challenges. So he's one-upping himself.
Yep.
No, he's got to put the hitch on so he can pull the trailer so he can pull that. Because that's going there, that there, this, there. So anyway, that's what we're on now. Okay. He's still welding, but I'm about to get to the house. I need some dinner. We still got shit to settle in, get back on schedules in the new apartment. So I'm being a bitch.
Baby back, bitch. Baby back, bitch. It's a big ass robot.
Which is different from when?
Different from that one time right there. That one, you remember that time? Anyway, he's still going. He's gonna weld that in. Then he's gonna wire all the lights in for the trailer stuff. So they're on the home stretch, right? I mean, that's it. And they're ready to go. So
Other than that, I'm just loading up, loading out.
So there you have it. They're gonna go on a ride. I think. Are we gonna figure out a way to get that camera to you, the action camera?
What?
Are we gonna figure out a way to get the action camera to you?
Yeah. I'll be in work tomorrow.
If not, are you leaving up?
He's not going to work tomorrow.
Can you leave halfway through the day? Can you leave at like lunch? Can you get like stomach glistening at lunch?
Anyway, so yeah, I know I'm all over the place right now. Anyway, they're going to ride. I'm stuck at the house because I'm broke. Because we just moved out.
Offered you a seat.
That she did, right here. I could have rode right here riding shotgun. You should see my ass in there. It's not a pleasant sight. But anyway, I'm broke. We just moved out, like I've been saying, and the Rhino's still. Who knows what's going on with that? I mean, what's life with that thing? But anyway, thanks for watching this. I hope you guys enjoy our antics as always. Hit the like button if you liked it, obviously. Subscribe if you want to see some more dumb shit, because that's all we do. And yo, definitely want to hit like, because you can't get away from the freaking RedBeard gloriousness. Or shots like that. Anyway, thanks for watching if you got this far. We had a good time. I hope y'all enjoyed it, but stick around for some riding videos. Toodaloo, motherfucker.
Hey!